Sanibonani. Igama uDumisane. Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. Ngiphethe uManqoba la. Yeah, sizokhuluma ngeSundowns neMarumo Gallants. Uthini awuthami uyibona kanjani?
Athi sicale nje sibingelele emakhaya mfowethu ngiyathemba ukuthi uvikwana ugrand now right.
Yeah.
Zwile besi-analyze siyibhekelele siyithule ke kahle. Sibangisana. Ngiyabona ukuthi ungilindile futhi.
Sizothini mfoka baba sizothini. No, it was a nice game anyway, but ke awuthi siza ukuthi uyibone kanjani plus vele njenge-supporter le-Sundowns.
Otherwise nje first of all let me ngibongele nje iMarumo Gallants for i-wonderful play ukuthi bayidlalile from first half. First half ngibona ukuthi tactically nje ucoach ukwazile ukemphasize ukuthi team yakhe ikwazi ukudlala from i-goalkeeper department bebadlala ngama-department kahle yangibeke kanjalo nje bebadlala ngama-department even though amanye ama-players angashow up egamini ukuthi njengoba bebadlala ne-Sundowns sazi ukuthi team enkulu currently e-Africa. So so bengikhulumela nje ama-player anje ngabo Zindalo lo bekashaya number 9.
Your favorite player. Probably sizombona ku-Sundowns next season. But ke into oyishoyo kahle ukuthi iMarumo Gallants somehow khona la emeshe iSundowns pound to pound kwi-first half. Ngibona ukuthi mana babanikeza i-room to breathe.
Cause nangendlela njengoba ngisho bebadlala ngama-department nje iMarumo Gallants bebanganiki iSundowns nendlela ukuthi usual penalty thina sijwayele ukuthi sidlale ngama-short passes but namhlanje into enjalo bengakhona ukuyenzeka first half until sizoya ku-second half whereby coach yakwazile ukwenza ama-changes lawo. Ngicabanga ukuthi going to iMarumo Gallants futhi on the first half bekumele ukuthi igame kahle bayirephe nge-2-0.
Okay.
If nje ukhumbula kahle bekumele nje cause kunala uDennis Onyango ayenze isave yekhanda ukuthi ngikhuluma ngale player le uZidong lo wakhona. Ngiphinde ngifuthi ngibuyele kuMarumo angifuni ucika kakhulu kamanje kuSundowns kuMarumo Gallants. The player le ukuthi I believe uDennis Masilela olkhiphile which is it was lo guy lo gceke number 22 uDimens uma ngimcorrect. Zidion.
Lo korile.
The one who created the assist ukuze kugore igoli lokucala.
No, the first person abamsubstitutile bekuyi-goal scorer uDion.
Yes, I meant to so as Askis. That guy, I mean bekungamelanga mina for me amsapile bekumele ngicabanga ukuthi udlale naye uma amdlala naye umango loyo ngicabanga ukuthi from there bekune something ukuthi bazoyithola.
Okay, so also what's your take now kuma team afana nabo Marumo Gallants ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bamatche iSundowns pound to pound but mangabe baqeda ukukora then ubone sebayayehlisa igame sebaya-defenda now instead of ukuthi bahold ibhola sebayalikhaba manje yabona so bazama ukuthi manje bamushe isikhathi or something like that.
Njengoba ngingakutshela azi ngibona ukuthi ama-team amaningi especially la eMzansi kubhedwe iPremiership yethu abulawa yini whenever they play amongst the Pirates, Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, they perform in the first half. Then after ukuthi bakore because of good lama team lawo they wanna make sure ukuthi bayawabhitha yabo bese they tend to forget the style of play sabo bese bayazikhohlwa they defend and then njengoba ngisho ukuthi first half bebadlala ngama-department kulapho whereby after ukuthi bakore bese babhekugxila khona base basidefend and that's whereby muthina mawucala wenza kanjalo salawa ukuthi sikwazi ukudlala lama-short passes lawo ukuthi a-dangerous kula siwasebenzisa khona kakhulu ke eziMamelodi Sundowns. Otherwise nje ngibuyela nje ku-Sundowns spot on to the coaches to coach Cardoso ngalama-changes lawa ukuthi wayenzile first sub nje ukuthi uyenzile iyo le ukuthi bowusho kwanawo ukuthi makangabuyisa nje uRibeiro.
I
wanted
to ask you on that one ukuthi what's your take on uRibeiro performance yakhe kule game namhlanje ngibone manje ngathi as much as favorite player yami nami but ngibone ngathi kuna something if bekuyimi maybe ngagcina sengimkhiphe nokumkhipha.
Let's give credit where it's true. The defender which is kumanje nje ukhose team iMarumo Gallants ukuze iconcede goal. Let's give credit to that defender. For me it was the man of the match because akamphanga nje iroom lokuthi akwazi ukudlala. So for me that defender uye nje wenze umsebenzi. Another thing nje uRibeiro has the contender of the player of the season. I believe ukuthi ipressure nakuye iningi kakhulu yabona makanga relaxa adlala ibhola lakhe ngicabanga ukuthi angayenza izinto zethu zibe nzima eCity because kunama moments whereby now umbonile bekumele lapha sekhona yena ufuna ukushoot la and I'm sure lento le uyenze several times aloku yenza kanjalo but then loke bathina ngithi bambiza ngobani kanje siyasayipwa santi inetwork bingahlika speed point
okay then sesivala nje uthini ngo Allen
Aish my cellular one of my favorite players yeah for me ushowe usivezile isandla nje namhlanje ngifuna nje uqamba manga bengicala this is a midfielder ukuthi ngikholela kuyo I believe ukuthi from abo Iniesta this is what they were doing abo Iniesta midfielder kumele shoot outside the box kumele shoot outside the box
no but I know siyakuzwa ngobuzitha mfoka baba na izi1 zila Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns uthini baba
kwamanje nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi sobuya la ekhaya mhlawumbe sophana ngama predictions kwamanje nje let us focus mina ngifocus egaming yami ukuthi ngiyodlala weekend
sayodlala weekend
ngiyadlala mina weekend angithi wena you are supposed to play on Friday so awusakwazi
bayasiphakela basipha ama 3 points so no mara ke vele Chiefs ayideserve i-charity bafethu
otherwise nje going back to coach Cardoso let me just give credit for coach futhi sengathi nje yabona i-starting 11 lesi angazama nje ukubona nje okuncane into encane nje kumele nje ayilungise as coach but ngiyacabanga i-technical team yakhe bayayibona lento le njengoba ukuthi bakwazi ukuyibona nange-second half
no asibonge kumanqoba ukuthi asivakashele bafethu ku-Timeline Radio Sports siyacela ke nginokuzwa ke abafowethu bathi kumele ni subscribe bathi ni subscribe ile la button le kanje bell one click nje mfethu ayenzi anyhow subscribe yini plus isiphethe nefelep no siyabonga bafethu
sure